Welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video, I am going to solve the assignment from Technical Support Fundamental, the course offered by Coursera. So already I have provided the video on two assignment, that is from week 3, the graded external tool assignment, create a folder with window and create a folder with Linux. So you can see here this video are available in my channel playlist. For this you have to go Deep Codec Guru. You go to your YouTube and type Deep Codec Guru. After that you go to the playlist, and in playlist there is Coursera. Playlist name is Coursera, and in that you can see the first two videos, that how to create a folder in Windows and how to create a folder in Linux. So these two assignment I have done, and now I am going to solve you the assignment from week 5, that is this two assignment. So in two video I will provide this assignment solution, and so the course will completed if you complete this for external tool assignment, graded external tool assignment. And after this video I will go for the next video on the deep learning, because I have got so many requests on the deep learning. So let me show you on deep learning about Beautiful Soup. So using Beautiful Soup, I will provide one video. Probably I will try to cover those all assignment in that topic. So there is some function is there, sigmoid function. So those all I will try to complete in the third video. So please hold on if you are making request, because I am so busy this day with project and other tasks too. That's why I am taking time to make the video. So now let's get started, and you hope this is 1 hour assignment, but we can complete within 5 to 6 minutes like that if we get the IP address. So let's get started. So I am going to solve this one, right? So this is opening, and as you know well, we have to connect with a remote desktop to complete this assignment, because we are not going to do this assignment in the system itself. We are going to connect this system with the remote system, means other computer with the network, and we will perform the action on that system from here itself. So this assignment is from Technical Support Fundamentals week 5, and there is install, update and remove software for Windows. Means we are going to install some software, update some software, and even we are going to uninstall some software or application. Simply we can say application from the window. So this we have to use Wikilab. So we will go for Wikilab, and you go and tick here I agree and open tool. So this tool is third party tools. So please you be sure you log in with your email ID on the same browser with Google, so it will be very easier to access the third tool, as I have experienced, though you can also do without login of your Gmail account. You just need to log in the Coursera ID. So this is, sometime it may ask you are robot or not. So it is asking, sometime it may not ask. So it depends on the time. Okay. So verify Chimney. Okay. So let me check it. Is there any other? No, I don't think so. Here, okay, okay. Verify. Oh, not matching. Let me change it. Crosswalk. Okay, right. Next, okay. Traffic light. So this is a traffic light, right? Okay. Now I accept it. So now it is opening. Okay. And okay, welcome to the lab. Okay, okay. Close it, no problem. This is hint for him. Okay, and here start. So start lab and you will get the IP address. Already I have opened this remote desktop connection. If you are using Windows 10, then go to Cornea and you just search remote desktop and you can open. Even in Windows 8, you go and there you type remote desktop and you can open. And here we have to give the IP address. So this is window. It may take some time. Okay, okay, okay. See, it is asking for 13 minutes. So after 13 minutes only, I am going to get the IP address for this task. Then only I can connect the remote system and perform the task. Meanwhile, I am going to explain you the briefly what are the tasks here and how you have to perform, and if the time will still there more, of course there will be more time, so I will pause the video for some times and after that I will resume again and I will perform the task. You be sure we can complete this task within 2 minutes once we get the IP address, right? So here install, update and remove software in Windows. So first we have to go and check for we have to open remote desktop connection, this, and then after you have to give the external IP address, username and password. So we will get from here, here it will generate those external IP address. Once you give here external IP address, connect, then it will ask for username, password, you can enter and you can go with. So this is the process explained, and when you are using Windows in that case, and when you are using the OS X users, so the process is given here. So this, once you follow this all instruction, you can easily connect. So I am just assuming everyone has Windows, so I am explaining with Windows. Maximum has Windows, I mean maximum has Windows operating system. And if you have other, then please follow this instruction so you can do. If I explain this everything, then the video is going to be too long, so I don't want to take your time. If Chrome OS, then you go for this process. In case of Linux, you can go this process. This is the entire thing. And once we do click using window user will get, or any other user will get instance like this. So once we get this, we can go for our task. So after that we need not to verify those things, those are time consuming, just we know there is. So I am not going for the validation, those are you can just go for that instances installation and you can install. So once, let's wait for the IP address generation. So I will pause the video because this is going to take 10 minutes to provide me IP address, remote IP address. Okay, so I will pause here, and for last 15 seconds and 20 seconds I will again resume the video and I will connect with you and I will solve the assignment. Okay guys, so I will pause. So you can see now we have to wait 1 minute more to get the IP address of the remote system. So it may, depending on the time, it may give you the time slots, how much it will take. Sometime if the server is not too busy and not too much load, then it will give IP address within 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes. It depending on the server load, it will give you the time frame. Okay. So now we have to wait less than 1 minute. So it is showing 0 minute. So let's wait. You can see we are taking this long time for just the IP address of the remote system. Once we get, we will complete this work within 2 minutes or hardly 3 to 4 minutes. But the network must be good and the strength must be good, so you can complete within 2 to 3 minutes. But this day, due to lockdown, the signal is not that much good, so it may take some little more time. But don't worry, you can do the better way. I will explain each and everything. So you can see here, I have got the external IP address. Just you click here for the copy of the IP address. I will put the IP address and connect. So now it is connected. So it will ask for the, you can see here it is asking for the password. Actually it is asking for my local system. It may be also ask you in the same way. You go for more choice and you always click use different account. And now copy username, right? Go there, paste it, and password. Now this is unique for everyone. Don't worry to share those password and everything. Every time it generates unique. And now okay. So it is now connecting to the remote system, and so you click here yes. You always click yes here, then only it takes to you for the remote system. So now the remote system is opening. Remote system is opening. You have to wait also. So now loading. Now the local system is loaded and it will open one manage system. So you can see here this it is open. No problem. I will zoom it once, and there is one on. Actually my screen is, I have made this screen a little small. Okay. So here you get this, you just close this, and this is the thing you have got. So I am not showing you the full screen. That is the problem. You are not able to see. Now let me do it. So let me make it adjust in the screen so you can clearly observe what I am doing there, right? So it is taking time. Okay, no problem. Right, done. So now open Chrome. Already will get like this, and you go to page and you copy this. For what? To download the install. And once we download, we click for install, right? You go there and again click new tab, paste it, Control V, enter, and now download now. So it will download. So okay, I will make it full. So here you can see download is completed. So I will just go and open it, and run it. You will get the same way. Yes. So now installation process is going on. Now what we have to do, once the installation is done, we have to just click here. So let me wait for the installations. Chrome, okay. And now you can see here the Chrome installation has been completed, right? So I am going to just check there Mozilla Firefox. So you can see here I have secured the 10 score and it is completed. Now for VLC download, again I have to copy this link. This is update. So already VLC is existing there. We have to just download the new version and update it, right? So I will go here and I will use Chrome only for this. Okay, Control V, opening and download VLC. So VLC download is completed. Now we go open and yes. So the VLC will install. Next. There is nothing complex task to do it. You just follow this and you can complete it. I hope you are getting everything, and in case of any confusion, please do comment me or contact me. I will definitely help you out. Not in this course only. If you are also facing any problem in other courses, then you can contact me. Right, so VLC is done, and I will again minimize the screen. Okay. And I go for again there and I will check for the progress. So now you can see the score is 20 and this is completed. Now I have to go and uninstall GIMP. So I hope you know how to uninstall. I will go here, I will close all other tabs, no need. Okay, and I will make this screen full. So you will see actually my screen is not there visible. You just like you will get a start button. You just click on a start button and you just GIMP is here. You will get right click and you just click uninstall. So it will take here, and from here you just go right click and uninstall, right? And yes, want to remove, yes, you have to remove it. And once it is done, then our task will complete. Okay, remove successfully. So now again I go here and I check uninstall is completed, yes, and the score is 30 out of 30. So now the task is completed. You can end the lab session. Right. So this is the entire things, and you can give rating for this lab. Anything you can write. I am just writing okay and submit. Okay, now completed, and I will again go back to that page and I will check the assignment is completed or not. Right guys, so due to some network weakness, it is taking time to load it. So you can see here this task is completed, and for this remote you can just close it, no need anymore, and the task is completed guys. Now in the next video I am going to provide the second assignment of the week 5, install, update and remove software for Linux. So thank you very much my dear subscriber, and in case of any doubt please feel free to contact me. So thanks again, stay safe, stay inside home and stay happy.